Ready to Glow here, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a super quick and easy soft glam for the holidays using some of my favorite Annabelle products. So I'm going to start off by using a light brown beige-ish kind of color in my crease using a big fluffy blending brush. This is just to create some depth in my crease and have like a nice transition between my lid color and my brow bone. So you're just gonna fluff that out in your crease like so. Super easy. Now make sure that the color that you use for your crease isn't too dark. You want it to be a little bit more subtle because first of all, the eyeshadow that I'm going to use next from Annabelle is absolutely stunning, and you want that to be like the focal point of your eye. And as well, you don't want it to be too dark because this is, again, a soft glam for the holidays. So this is the eyeshadow that I'm talking about, and it is so freaking stunning. This is the Annabelle Chrome Single Eyeshadow in the color Aurum, which is perfect for the holidays. This is honestly one of my favorite products from Annabelle. The formula is amazing. It gives off this like beautiful foil type like look, and it doesn't budge even though it is creamy. If you don't believe me, I use this eyeshadow in the color Chromium all the time. As you can see, it's pretty used and abused. So what you're going to do is take a flat eyeshadow brush and just apply this color all over your lid. Oh my gosh, this is so stunning. I think this is gonna end up being my new favorite. Move over Chromium. And you can honestly apply it like from corner to corner of your eyelid, and it just gives the most beautiful like metallic-y foil gold finish. And I'll give you guys a nice little close-up of how easy this applies and how stunning it looks. And if you look at it even on the other eye, it stays completely put even though it's creamy, like it's not creasing at all. And then you're gonna go back in with your big fluffy blending brush and just go over the crease a little bit so the transition looks a little bit smoother, and you have this eyeshadow that blends up slightly and then your brown eyeshadow that blends down slightly. And you don't need to take any extra product for this, you just need to use whatever was left over on your brush. Next, I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline. Today I'm going to be using the Waterline Luminous Kohl eyeliner in Golden Taupe. So I'm just going to do another little close-up to show you guys how easy this eyeliner glides on and gives this beautiful gold finish. And just so you guys know, by applying a lighter color eyeliner like this, it makes your eyes appear much bigger than they are. Now I'm going to go in with the same brown that I used in my crease and just smoke out right underneath my waterline. And I just slightly bring it upwards into the corners of my eyes to connect it from the crease to the waterline so it looks like a nice smooth transition. The eyeshadow look is done. It is that simple and easy to do. Now I'm going to pop on some mascara, and I will be right back to show you guys the next step. For this next step, I quickly threw on some mascara, and now we're going to make things really fun by using this bad boy right here. I'm going to be using the Annabelle Glitter Mascara Top Coat in the color Gold to add a little bit of sparkle to my lashes. So we're gonna get up close and personal again so I can show you how stunning this top coat is and how cool it looks on your lashes. And it's super easy to apply. You just brush it through like a regular mascara. And it adds that like perfect holiday sparkle. I don't think the holidays are complete without some glitter in your look. Look how absolutely cool that looks. I feel like it amps up the eyes and makes them look even more festive. I love adding glitter pretty much everywhere on my face, and so this mascara is like just calling my name. I'm definitely rocking this all holiday season. Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to move on to my lips. I actually started off by using the Annabelle Edge Lip Scrub. I applied this right after my foundation, so I'm obviously not going to show it to you in this video, but it's already been applied and rubbed into my lips. This is another go-to product of mine from Annabelle. It is absolutely phenomenal, especially for the winter. Basically, it doubles as a lip scrub and a lip balm primer type thing. So I apply it on, and it has these little like beads in it which take off all of the dead skin that's on your lips, and then it kind of like dissolves and it leaves like a balm type feeling on your lip. and it is amazing. Your lips feel so soft after, and you don't have any of that gross dead skin. I then went ahead and just applied a brown lip liner, and now I'm gonna go in with my Annabelle Edge lipstick in the color Anna. I think this is such a great nude for the holidays, and again, because it is a soft glam, you don't want to put a bold color on your lips. You also want to keep the color neutral because you want the main focus to be on your eyes. So that's all there is to this look. I did want to point out one thing though. I mentioned before that that golden taupe eyeliner would make your eyes look a little bit bigger, and that's exactly what it did once I applied my mascara. You couldn't really tell when I was applying the eyeliner, but once I apply the mascara, you can see that it kind of like lightens up this area of your eye, so it makes it look like it has more space. So yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick and easy soft glam for the holidays. You can purchase any of the products that I used in this video at annabelle.com or at pharmacies across Canada. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!